Hey guys, out here at the Autohaus here again today, and we're going to do the Select Front Bearing Retainer Spacer. Alright, so let's say you're rebuilding your transmission or you're swapping on another bell housing. So you're at this point where you have the new bell housing bolted on. These bolts, 7 bell housing bolts, take 27 foot-pounds. And then before you put on the snout where the throwout bearing rides on, you need this guy. So this is the Select Fit Spacer that goes on top of the input bearing. These come in different Select Fit sizes. I'm going to show you how to determine what size you need. This is page MT21 in the service manual. This diagram is really confusing to decipher, but I'll show you what it wants you to do. So what we're trying to measure is the distance between the face of the throwout bearing and then this face or the seal surface of the bell housing. So you want to take your calipers, open it up a little bit so this end sticks out, and you want to put the end that sticks out on top of the face of the throwout bearing and then press down until it's flat against the bell housing and take your measurement. So in this case, 756. So typically I want to get a good average because it's going to measure different everywhere you measure. So in this case I measured in 4 different places. I'll show you guys my measurements. So 752, 7.82, 775, 767. So if we look at our chart to determine what spacer size we need, it's either going to be one of these two, 7.7 to 7.8 or 7.81 to 7.91. You'll need these two, either one of these two side spacers. I'm okay with going on the little thicker side, so I would rather put a spacer that's a little bit on the thicker side. So in this case, I'm going to use this measurement and try to find a 1.935 to 1.985 size spacer. So to really do this, you need a selection of these spacers. Luckily I have the 1.93 Select Fit Spacer, so this is the one that's going to go in, and then this guy gets installed right after that. This has been our Select Front Bearing Retainer Spacer how-to video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, check out merch at cmautohaus.com, and consider supporting us on Patreon. Happy New Year, you guys, and see you guys next time.